Racing just is started. We have Brown Baby Bonjour moving up on the outside. Out of time. Perhaps Love is down on the inside. Lover of all Admiral Contender. Chum while Don Martino is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn we have Brown Baby by about 2 lengths, perhaps Love in second alongside third out of time, 4 lengths further back in fourth comes Lover of All Bonjour, comes next Admiral Contender Don Martino, while Cham now racing in less back to the leader. We have Brown Baby, perhaps Love out of time, Lover of All now trying to get closer in fourth, Bonjour, then here comes Admiral Contender, now trying to get closer, then comes Cham, while entry number 2, Don Martino, now racing in less than at a far turn, out of time, moves somebody outside by about half length, perhaps Love, then here comes entry number 7, Lover of All, Admiral Contender, Bonjour in the middle, and as they swing for home, out of time, perhaps Love, Lover of All is sorry outside, Bonjour, Admiral Contender with about 100 meters of the race. Lover of All, Bonjour is on the outside, but it's still Lover of All, followed by Bonjour in second, and finally is Lover of All, Bonjour. Then comes out of time, Admiral Contender, perhaps Love Chum, Don Martino, and Brown Baby.
7-5